Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Quita Esmalte is probably one of the most important products for nail care, ensuring that removing nail polish is efficient and gentle on your nails. This video will explore the top Quita Esmalte options available, examining their effectiveness, ingredients, and overall impact on nail health, helping you choose the perfect product for your needs and preferences, whether you're a seasoned nail art enthusiast or simply looking for a reliable way to remove polish. Number 5. Pronto Pure Acetone. Say goodbye to stubborn nail polish. This acetone is perfect for removing gel, acrylic, or regular polish quickly and easily, leaving your nails ready for your next manicure. It effortlessly removes all types of nail polish, from gel and shellac to artificial nails and glitter. It's versatile and ready to use straight from the bottle or with a dispenser. Simply moisten a cotton ball and gently massage it onto your nails. It wipes away polish in seconds, saving you time and a trip to the salon. Made with 100% pure acetone, it's effective and efficient at removing any type of manicure or pedicure. It's a high-quality product you can trust. We're committed to providing you with the best nail care products while keeping you on trend. We care about the health and beauty of your nails. What we like? This acetone is 100% pure, ensuring fast and thorough polish removal. If you need a powerful and efficient remover for all nail types, this is your best bet. Its professional-grade formula makes quick work of even the toughest polishes, saving you valuable time. What people say? Gets the job done quickly, along with that it doesn't have a strong acetone smell. I soaked the nail in this remove for only a minute and the tip came right off. It doesn't have a strong odor, so I like that. Product was packed well, no leaks or damaged bottle. Work great for nail soak off. Number 4. Teenitor Nail Gel Remover Kit. Tired of expensive salon trips for gel removal? It's now easier than ever to remove gel polish at home, saving you time and money. This kit has everything you need: clips, pads, files, brushes, and more. Everything is included for a complete at-home manicure. Unlike harsh methods, this kit helps remove gel polish without damaging your natural nails. Keep your nails healthy and strong. Simply grind, wrap, clip, scrape, and polish. The step-by-step process makes gel removal quick and easy. This kit is designed for long-lasting use. The clips and other tools are washable and reusable, saving you money in the long run. Get salon-quality results at home without the salon price tag. It's the perfect solution for convenient and affordable nail care. What we like? This kit provides everything you need for at-home gel removal. If you're looking for a convenient and cost-effective way to remove gel nails without damaging them, this kit is perfect. The soak-off clips make the process easy and efficient, saving you time and money compared to salon visits. What people say? This kit is perfect and pink. It's useful for removing all the gel. These are great for at-home gel remover. Very easy to use. The clips stay in place. Number 3. Eternal Pure Acetone Nail Polish Remover. Achieve professional results with our 100% pure acetone nail polish remover. It effortlessly removes even the toughest glitter and gel polishes, saving you time and money. This remover easily tackles glue, shellac, and artificial nails without harming your natural nails. It leaves them residue-free and clean, ready for your next manicure. Simply moisten a cotton ball and gently massage it onto your nails, wiping clean. It's that simple. Use cotton swabs for hard-to-reach areas. Made with 100% pure acetone, it delivers exceptional results. Available in 8 or 16-ounce bottles, ensuring you always have enough on hand. We're dedicated to providing a product that cares for your nails while keeping you on trend. We promise salon-quality results, conveniently at home. What we like? This acetone is 100% pure and delivers salon-quality results at home. If you want a powerful remover that's gentle on your nails, this is it. Its ultra-powerful formula effortlessly removes even stubborn polishes, leaving your nails clean and healthy. What people say? My bottle arrived perfectly sealed with the entirety of the acetone intact. This bottle came in very full and very secure within its bag, the acetone does its job and it arrived with absolutely no leakage. This 100% works way better than the other stuff I grew up with. I use this and paint a thick layer on my Gel X nails and it helps them stay on way longer. It also takes off gel polish a lot quicker. Number 2. Magic Soak Off Nail Polish Remover. Say goodbye to harsh acetone and hello to gentle nail polish removal. This innovative remover is designed for all nail types, making it quick and easy to remove your polish. It effortlessly removes polygel, gel, dip powder, and even dark nail colors. It's perfect for those who frequently change their nail polish. Made with natural ingredients, it's non-irritating and won't damage your nails. Enjoy a much milder scent compared to traditional removers. No more messy foil wraps or harsh scraping. Simply apply, wait a few minutes, and gently remove your polish without any damage. Just lightly smear it on and wait 3 to 5 minutes. It's that simple. Then, gently push off the polish with a small steel pusher. What we like? This remover is gentle on your nails and incredibly easy to use. If you're sensitive to harsh chemicals or prefer a less time-consuming method, this is the perfect choice. Its unique formula removes polish quickly without the need for soaking or scraping. What people say. First I used a nail file to remove the shiny layer of color off my nail. Then I put a thick layer and left it for 5 minutes, followed by going and using a scraper and it came right off. The gel just bubbled up and I scraped it off. Easy peasy. Once I did that, this product really started to work great. You know when you've been successful when the gel starts to bubble and it will scrape off easily. Number 1. Gel Nail Polish Remover. Tired of struggling with stubborn gel polish? This remover makes it quick and easy to remove your gel manicure at home. Get 2 bottles of our effective gel polish remover for even more value. It's perfect for multiple uses. It removes gel polish in just 3 to 5 minutes without damaging your natural nails. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and damaged nails. Simply soak your nails in it and watch the gel polish effortlessly lift away. It's that simple. Each bottle is the perfect size for at-home manicures and pedicures. It's portable and easy to store. Experience a painless and efficient way to remove your gel polish. Get salon-quality results at home. What we like? This gel polish remover is quick, easy, and gentle on your nails. If you are looking for a fast and effective way to remove gel polish without damaging your nails, this is the product for you. The 3 to 5 minute removal time saves you time and effort. What people say. This product worked great. Be sure to buff the nail really well before you apply. It worked really well for the amount of gel I had on and I wasn't surprised that I needed to apply the product twice and to a few spots a third time. In the end, it all came off so easy. This method really seemed to save my nails, skin surrounding and cuticles. This was so easy to use. Just barely file the top part of the nail so it can penetrate, let sit on for a couple minutes and then wipes right off. It turns the hard gel polish into like a rubbery soft gel and wipes right off. Works great. If you have gelish UV gel, it's just as advertised, comes right off. 2 applications, stars peeling in about 3 minutes, scrape after 5. Put some more on the few spots left and scrape them in another 5. Wash off. Perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.